So I would like to talk about water in this Friday value video. Actually, this is going to be a series, and I'm going to focus on why water is important. I know a lot of people don't really drink much water, and they tend to walk around dehydrated most of the time. And it's responsible for all kinds of issues from muscle pain to fatigue to headaches to poor fat absorption, metabolism, I should say, and a whole host of issues. So I'm going to cover just a couple of things today and continue on over the course of the next few Fridays. So why is water important? Well, it has a lot of functions in your body. It transports nutrients, it transports and excretes metabolic wastes, it supports cell structure and shape, and helps to sustain normal body temperature. Sometimes people are chronically cold because they're dehydrated. And then there's the cleaning of your stomach and your intestines, and that's sort of a catch-all term, but it really does aid digestion. If you're dehydrated, you might have some trouble with digestion, specifically constipation. Functions of water include improving nutrient absorption and lubricating friction-generating surfaces, which are your joints. Only water functions as water. When you add lemon or lime or any kind of flavoring to water, now it activates the digestive system. Now, this doesn't mean that this is necessarily a bad thing, but if you're going to be drinking water all day long, as you should be, sipping throughout the day to get the recommended amount of water in per day so that you're not dehydrated, if you're activating your digestive system isn't really ever getting a break. And because it senses that there's something in the water and it senses, oh, this has to be digested, now you're going to be producing enzymes and releasing gastric juices in order to break down what the body perceives is in the water as more food than just water. So, and then there's also, you don't want to really drink a lot of water during or just after a meal, especially if you have any digestive issues like reflux or maybe you're challenged to digest your food, because the water can dilute the digestive juices and make it harder for your body to work the way it was designed to when it comes to food. Now, we do have this water fluid balance in our body. The adult male is about 60% total body volume of water, and adult female is about 50%, and a newborn, nice and squishy and moist, is about 75% water. Body water declines as a function of aging due to changes in body mass. So it's not really age dependent as it is really what's going on in the body. If you've ever watched any of my other content and you're aware of the term sarcopenia, if you have more body fat and less muscle mass, that's going to alter your body water content. Fat tissue is the lowest percentage of water of all tissues. It's fat, it's adipose tissue. There's no water in it. And as body fat increases, your percentage of water in your body will decrease. All right, I am going to stop for now, but know that we're going to continue. We're going to talk about things like water loss. We're going to talk about what happens if you get too much water, as well as not enough, and how the body functions with water. And I hope you enjoy this series. We'll see you next week.